everyone. So today we're going to be making the iced brown sugar shaken cold brew, not espresso. If you guys watched my last vlog, I mentioned that I have been replacing the espresso with the cold brew, and I have absolutely loved the drink. I personally think it tastes so much better. So it is iced coffee season. For me, iced coffee season is all year round, but definitely in the spring and summer, I am an iced coffee girl. I now live in a big city with coffee shops literally on every single corner, and so it is extremely hard for me to resist the temptation to pop in a new coffee shop and try out an iced coffee. My pockets do not like that, so we are back to making our own iced coffees. I did purchase a huge pack of my disposable cups. If you guys saw my video last year, I did a whole thing on the plastic disposable coffee cup and how it's all about the cup. I'll link that video below if you guys want to check it out. There's something about having your iced coffee in the plastic disposable cup with the lid. I prefer the 16 ounce. If you prefer the 20 ounce or bigger, go for it. So yeah, if you want to know how I make my at home brown sugar iced shaken, iced brown sugar oat milk shaken cold brew at home, keep watching. So what you're gonna need the key ingredient, which is the brown sugar syrup. Now this is the brown sugar cinnamon syrup that I picked up from World Market. You can also find this on Amazon and other like retailers. You can also make this yourself at home. It's really easy to make at home. Simple syrup, brown sugar, you can make this at home. I like to take the easier route, and so I picked this up, and it is sugar-free, and so I do like to keep my drinks very low cal, which is another reason why this drink is my favorite, because it is low cal for a Starbucks iced beverage. I just don't like drinking my calories like that. Gonna need the syrup for sure. Gonna need cold brew. I picked up the Starbucks cold brew. I don't know if this is the one that they use in Starbucks. I saw it and I was like, well, I'll go ahead and give it a try. You don't have to get Starbucks. You can get other brands if you want to. If you have a favorite brand out there that you like of a cold brew, I'm sure that works just fine. But we're just, you know, staying with the theme here, so I figured I would pick this one up, so I got that. And you're gonna want some oat milk. Now, I think Starbucks uses the Barista Blend by Califia. I am a huge Califia creamer and milk lover. It is super low cal. I actually learned that from doing Noom. If you ever use the Noom app and you scan any creamer, they usually all come up as like bad, like red or orange. This one, the Califia, is the only creamer or milk that ever comes up green or yellow. So once I saw that, that's the creamer that I have been drinking nonstop. That's the only one that I drink. I have started to measure it out though, because I feel like I can kind of OD on it sometimes, and so I've started measuring out my creamers since I do drink iced coffee every day. You do want to get oat milk. It does not have to be this one. Any oat milk will do, but I like the extra creamy. It tastes so good, y'all. So you want to get an oat milk creamer, and then cinnamon, because they do sprinkle cinnamon on top once they're done. You're also gonna want to use a shaker. Now, this is a shaker that I got from Target. It's by Project 62. It's great, it works fine. However, you can use a jar with a lid, but you want to shake this drink. I don't know what the science is behind this whole shaken espresso or shaken drink thing, but it's a thing, and it's very important because it makes a huge difference in the taste of this drink. Definitely want to shake it, whether you're using espresso or you're using a cold brew coffee or even an iced coffee. You're gonna want to shake it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, a shaker is definitely needed for this. You cannot achieve this with just pouring coffee in, pouring milk in. Stirring with this drink does not work. I've tried it. It does not work. It does not blend as well. It's all in the shaker. So definitely shake, shake, shake the drink. And then you're gonna want to have a to-go cup because we're doing this for on the go. You can use any other cup you want. I sometimes use my Starbucks reusable tumblers. I use glasses. This is something about this clear cup with a lid and a straw, which I got some cute straws in that I'm excited to use. So I got a huge pack of these super cute pink straws. The cute part is like heart-shaped. It's so cute. I got 1,000 of them, so I am set on straws for life. It's all about the presentation for me. When it comes to my iced coffees, I just like for it to be a moment. So yeah, those are the items that you're gonna, oh, I also got questions about my digital measuring spoon in my last video. I'll link it below for you guys. It's great for foods too. So I'm really just trying to be better about measuring out things so that I am not over consuming. But yeah, it's really great and I really like it. But yeah, I think that's everything. So let's go ahead and hop right in and start making our drinks. It's so easy, y'all. It's literally probably gonna take me like 2 minutes to make this, so. Alright guys, that is it. Like I said, super easy. All I need is a label. And I got a HSL coffee shop right here in my kitchen. So I will leave the cups, the straw, measuring spoons, everything will be linked below. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you are in that season of making your own iced coffees. I know I am. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite at-home iced coffee little concoction. That's all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Cheers.